Is hair like our antennas? Do you believe have long hair helps you grounded? Yes, I do. Nature gave you this for a reason, okay? I don't care what race you are, what type of culture you come from, you still have long hair. And this long hair is spiritual. If you look at all the religious books, you see that all the saints had long hair, okay? And it's only our modern society has frowned upon it. You know, when you go to the office, you cut your hair because it doesn't look professional, that sort of thing. So that we have been brainwashed. We've been brainwashed to take away our goodness, our divinity has been taken away from us. You know the story of Samson. It's not too far-fetched, okay? Samson, when they cut his hair, the power went away. So there is truth to it. The native Indians used their hair, put it on the ground, and they believe firmly that it picked up vibrations and messages. So I come from a place where I believe firmly that we are divine, and I know for a fact that we're divine, and that you should embrace your divine nature, and not put it away. Okay, I never said being bald is a bad thing. Someone asked me about long hair, and I stated it. I didn't say that people who don't have long hair are bad. I just said that your hair, it has a power in it. That's all I said. Okay, and bear in mind that people losing their hair today are losing their hair at 17, 16, even 15, even younger. I've seen actually young children losing their hair. Okay, alopecia, obviously, it's not normal. So when you are defining something as normal because most people are losing their hair, and you're saying that being bald it cannot be rectified, that's a different story. But it can be rectified. Okay, it can, depending on how the time frame or how late it is or how early it is, it can be fixed.